Hello, and welcome to another video product review brought to you by Discount Cell. Today we'll be looking at a series of universal products available for HTC devices. Now the three universal HTC accessories that we will be reviewing today are ideal for use with government agencies and large corporations because they provide a high level of functionality and quality at a low price. So you can spend less without sacrificing quality or performance. So the first of the universal HTC accessories that we'll be looking at today is the dual 3-in-1 USB charger by Nastec Technologies. So lots of companies, lots of organizations have the problem of when they send their employees on business, their employees will forget their phone chargers either in their hotel rooms or in their rental cars. And so procurement officers are constantly having to buy more and more chargers, both for use in vehicles and indoors with standard wall outlets. The dual 3-in-1 charger by Nastec Technologies solves this problem by combining both a DC adapter that'll work in your car with an AC adapter that'll work in a standard US 2-prong wall outlet. The charger has two standard USB ports in the back, so you can charge up to two devices at the same time, both a tablet and a smartphone, or two tablets, two smartphones, or however you want to do it. And then it comes standard with a 4-foot 9-inch micro USB cable that'll plug into your phone and into the Nastec dual 3-in-1 charger. The next of the universal HTC accessories that we'll be reviewing today is the Nastec Gladiator. The Gladiator, according to Nastec, is the world's toughest cell phone case. I don't know if it's the world's toughest, but it certainly does provide a high level of protection for your HTC device. The case itself is made out of a thick, durable black nylon canvas that is rip resistant, water resistant, and alkaline resistant, so whether you're tearing it or pouring water or battery acid onto it, you'll be okay and your phone will be secure on the inside. The case securely closes with a magnet, and then inside has a nice, large cargo area that'll fit almost any HTC device. This is great because if you are a procurement officer for a large organization, you probably have multiple devices, and so you can just buy one case and that will provide a solution to everyone in the office. You can help cut down on your inventory and still outfit your employees. On the side of the case, you have three distinct cargo areas. You have two pen holders here and another one right here. On the back, you have a heavy-duty belt clip, and this particular case is great for police and law enforcement because it is available in 4 different colors. It's available in this black. It's also available in a black patrol weave. It's available in NATO camouflage and in desert tan. The belt case will the belt clip will securely fasten onto any police duty belt or construction work belt, and then it swivels according to user preference, so you can adjust it how you want. And it's reasonably priced. It costs less than $25, and so for less than $25, you can get a high level of protection and versatility to protect any of the various phones or small mobile devices in your organization. So the last of the universal HTC accessories that we'll be reviewing today is the Nastec Club. The Nastec Club is a Bluetooth-enabled HD wireless speaker and speakerphone option that is very well priced considering the quality of volume and performance that you get out of this product for such a small size. It measures 7.5 inches wide this way, and then each of the three sides measures about 2 inches. It weighs about half a pound, so it's very small, very lightweight. You can throw this into a backpack or a briefcase. The speakerphone function here is very good. The microphone is right here on this side, and it'll effectively pick up voice from about 8 feet away. So if you set this down on the table, you can do conference calls with it with several different participants at the table, as well as you can hear clearly the speakers on the other end of the phone call as you're using the Nastec Club as a speakerphone. It also plays music very well, and it pairs again via Bluetooth, any Bluetooth-enabled device, and is priced at about $50. So considering how inexpensive it is, you get a high level of functionality and quality. So this concludes our universal HTC accessories review. For more information, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit our website at discountcell.com. Again, that is discountcell.com. Thank you very much.